Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on How Logical. In today's video, I will walk you through on how you can log into Home Depot credit card account. If you also want to learn the exact process for it, make sure to stick till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future upcoming videos from our channel. Now let's move on to the video. Firstly, open up any web browser on a PC and here search for Home Depot credit card login. Now from the search result, select the very first link, the Home Depot consumer credit card login or apply. And once you tap on it, you will be taken to its official home page. Now there you will be able to see the sign on box at the left hand side of your screen. Now in order to get logged into your Home Depot credit card account, you need to firstly type in your user ID and then your password of your account. Now type in your user ID and password correctly. If in case you have either forgotten your user ID or password, you can retrieve it by tapping on this retrieve user ID or reset password link. Now if you want your system to remember your user ID, you can tick the square box and make your system remember your user ID. But if you're using others or shared device, then make sure to uncheck or leave this box as it is. Now once you're done with typing your user ID and your password, tap on sign on button to get logged into your Home Depot credit cards account. Now that's all it takes to get logged into your Home Depot credit cards account. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel. That's gonna be all for this video and I will see you in the next one.